Hey, what's up everybody? Rick here. Got a little open first impressions video for you here. Got a package in from my friends at American Edge Nice. And if you don't know who they are, American Edge Nice are a little mom and pop shop in Rush, Minnesota. And they're doing some great things down there. Leanne and Jordan, I don't think you'll ever watch this, but just so you know, we will be friends someday. So I did what I could to get rid of my personal information in the box. Let's see how I do this time. Let's carry in Microtech MSI today. Oh gosh. Alright. Anything go on the floor? No? What do we got here? Make sure. Go. Got a little sticker. Got some mints. Let's see. What says here. So this was a purchase I made, so it's not provided. But I do want to say some organizations or companies are really good at this, and others not so much. And you know, to each their own. But dang, little handwritten notes go a long way for me. That's basically the key to wrap me into me buying your shit. So what do we got here? So this is something I have been waiting to get. I'm kind of waiting for the right one. It's kind of hard to get right now. So this is a Microtech LUDT T Gen 3. Stonewash standard in blue. I was looking at getting the last generation up until the moment where I saw that the third was coming out not too long, and then I was just kind of waiting on which one I would like to get. And I was looking at the raw aluminum, and that one looked really nice as well. But I saw this blue. Let's go under all this fun stuff. This one jumped out at me. Ooh, yeah, that is nice looking. It's got the blue aluminum. We got like a, grippy rubber feeling. Makes me think of some of those pistol grips that you can add on. Alright, so this one's in a Tonto blade. Of course, it's got the Microtech billboarding on there. Oof. I like that. It's lighter than I thought it was going to be. And there's size comparison. excuse me, to the MSI. The MSI is a big boy there. Hold on. What do we got here? It's a little closer. Pair 3, Spyderco Pair 3, Spyderco PM2. Closer to the PM2. Benchmade Cotillion. And then the mini grip. Ooh, botched that. Let's try that again. Go. We'll go the Demco MG 8020 Slim and the Demco 8020.5. Pretty close to the, let's try it on this one. A little longer than the 8020.5. I like that. I like the look. That blue pops. It's got nice action. And that thing locks up. There's no blade play at all. I'm curious about that pocket clip. Let's see here. Just got shorts on now. It doesn't like my shorts. Fair enough. But yeah, that is just a quick unboxing. First impressions so far. I like it. I'll do a full review here coming up with more details on it. If you like this video, please give it a like and subscribe to my channel. You can also find me on Instagram at Ricks_knives1. Please check it out. There's a little more content there, but that's all I got.